Okay, this will hopefully help you learn how to complete this assignment as well as attach the 2 photos for part 2 of the assignment. So this assignment, prototype number 1, has 2 parts. The first part, you're going to answer questions about how your game is going to be played, okay, as you build your first prototype. Part 2 is you can't exactly turn in a construction paper prototype, so you're going to take a picture of it, actually 2 pictures of it, and turn them in. So I'm going to show you how to turn in these 2 pictures. It's going to look slightly different on the iPad because this is my iMac, and the iPad, of course, is a mobile device, so it looks a little different. So you'll open the assignment. You won't see that. And then you'll answer all of part 1. Working in your group, you'll answer part 1. That's worth 10 points. Who is it designed for? How do you win? How many players? How will they take turns? How do they move? All of that good stuff. 9 and 10 are important. It says describe, so they should be pretty well described answers, especially if you're working in a group and using 3 or 4 brains. Okay? Describe your game pieces, describe your game board. When you're all done with that, you're ready to move on to part 2. Part 2 says attach 2 pictures of your construction paper board game prototype before you click the blue turn-in button. Well, how do you do that? You probably could figure it out, but we haven't done it yet. So let's say you've done all of part 1, it's typed in, you're ready to go, you want to do part 2. So go back to your Google Classroom. Now here's where it looks slightly different for you guys. So you'll have mark as done. I think on the iPad it's a long blue one. And on the iPad you'll have a little plus right here, and that actually says add or create attachments. So you'll click a little plus right here on the iPad, right in this region, and it will give you the option, and it will say a couple of things from your drive and other places, but it will also say take a picture or pick a picture. So you can do either one. You can take a picture, click on that, and it'll let you take a picture, or you can choose a picture. Then it will upload it. It'll say uploading to assignment. You wait a few minutes for that to happen, and then it'll show up here as a little red square with a mountain on it. And then when you have your work done, you can turn it in. You'll have turn in over here. Should be good to go. Thanks very much.